All right, so today we're going to be looking at the Beighton's Ligamentous Laxity scale. To do that, it's going to be a cluster of tests to see if there is general laxity with the patient. A score of 5 or greater than 5 out of 9 would indicate that. So I have Justice here. The first test that we're going to do is we're going to be standing with your knees locked out, and then we're going to bend forward, keeping those knees straight, and then we're going to try to touch the palms of your hands flat to the floor. So you can go ahead and try that. Try to keep those knees straight. Good, and you can come on up. Good, so that is a score of a 1. The next one will have Justice seated. So we're gonna look at the elbows and see if there is passive hyperextension. So passive hyperextension greater than 10 degrees would indicate a score of 1, but that was a 0. So we'll look over here, and same deal. No hyperextension, so that's also a 0. Next we can look at knee hyperextension. So just have the patient seated and then lifting up. And here, there's no hyperextension on the right side. And same deal, no hyperextension on the left. So that's a 0 for both. Next we can look at the hand. So I'll have Justice see if he can abduct or bend his thumb towards his forearm and see if he can touch. Okay, good. And we'll try the other side there. There we go. All right, and so abduction that touches the thumb would indicate a score of a 1, and so we didn't have that, so that's a 0. And then we can look at the hand flat on the table here, and then I'll have Justice see if he can pull his pinky back as far as he can. And so I'm looking to see if it passes 90 degrees, which it does not. And we can check the other side. Oh, that one's actually right at about 90 degrees, so that might be a score of a 1. So out of the 9, we have a score of 2. And that's less than 5, so that does not indicate general laxity for this patient.